So at a surface level, strategy is about thinking about how you position yourself relative to competitors. And the one of the arguments I get a lot lately is that, oh, strategy has changed. It's about platforms and ecosystems and partnerships, and it's not a, cutthroat competitive market anymore. And my answer to that is that's true, that there are these different relationships that companies are forming with each other, but you are still, as a collective, creating value, which you are then competing with each other to capture that value. You don't go into a partnership and say, I wouldn't enter a partnership with you and say, okay, Chris, we're going to generate, hundreds of millions of dollars and you keep it all. That's okay. No, I'm going to want to keep some of it for myself, and you're going to want to keep some of it yourself. And unless we completely agree on what that split is, it's a competition.
If you want to strengthen your strategy skills, get the overall approach used in well-managed strategy studies. Free download, link above. Enjoy.